Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, then it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, certainly some updates need to be made. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Yeah, that level pertains, just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into Thursday, that initial level of resistance is going to be right there at 505, which the price currently is not that far away from. So I don't know. I think it's reasonable to think that maybe a breakout of that 505 mark could occur, and assuming there's no gap downs or anything like that. Now, if the price can push up through 505, the next level of resistance to keep an eye on at that point would be that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself further and further downwards as Thursday and Friday play out. So keep an eye on that. But as of right now, before you start talking about and worrying about doing battle with the 50-period, again, the price first has to prove itself in the near term. Prove itself, quote-unquote, being defined as getting up above and staying up above 505. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to report other than confirmation would probably be more of an accurate term. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Tuesday. But if you did, hopefully you remember me talking about down here at 495 as that level of support. And the power of charts, you can see that this morning, the price pulled back, and didn't hit it exactly, but within a penny. So the chart forecasted within a penny of where that support would be and then got the nice bounce from there. So 495 remains that important area of support going into the remainder of the week. But yeah, to give credit where credit's due, there was a little bit miniature of a bounce here. Looking down here at the volume bar, the final 30 minutes, volume did come in nice and strong, got the green candle. So we'll see if this is the start of a bigger bounce or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.